Imagine having the best gaming experience, creating stunning content, and running demanding applications seamlessly, all in a device that fits in a backpack. Today, I'll put the spotlight on the ASUS ROG Flow Z13 2025, a powerhouse 13-inch 2-in-1 gaming laptop that redefines portability and performance. Equipped with cutting-edge features and technology, this device is poised to revolutionize the portable gaming and productivity landscape. We've all been there, lugging around cumbersome gaming rigs, sacrificing mobility for raw power. But the market has evolved, and gamers, creators, and professionals alike demand devices that can provide a seamless experience anywhere, anytime. This is where the ASUS ROG Flow Z13 2025 comes in, addressing the pain points of limited battery life, inadequate cooling, and compromised performance in compact form factors. When you first lay your eyes on the Flow Z13, you're greeted by a sleek, anodized metal construction, a testament to ASUS's expertise in engineering high-quality hardware. The magnesium alloy body feels premium in hand, and the subtle ROG accents add a touch of sophistication. The 13-inch display, featuring the ROG Nebula 2.5K panel with a blazing 180 Hz refresh rate and 3 milliseconds response time, is a marvel to behold. The aspect ratio provides an impressive canvas for creative work, video editing, and gaming. But it's not just about aesthetics. The Flow Z13's design is thoughtfully crafted to cater to various needs. The 170 degrees kickstand allows for effortless switching between tablet and laptop modes, making it ideal for productivity, content creation, and even entertainment. The larger touchpad is a welcome, gesture-friendly input method, and the keyboard is designed for comfort and accuracy. The device measures just 1.49 liters in volume, making it an excellent companion for gamers, artists, and professionals on the move. Let's dive into the specs that make the Flow Z13 a force to be reckoned with. At its heart lies the AMD Ryzen AI MAX Plus 395 processor, a cutting-edge chip featuring 16 cores, up to 50 TOPS NPU power, and integrated RDNA 3.5 graphics. This beast of a processor offers unparalleled performance in a 13-inch chassis, effortlessly handling demanding tasks like 3D modeling, video editing, and high-end gaming. The 128 GB LPDDR5X RAM running at 8,000 MHz provides a vast memory pool for seamless multitasking, while the 1 TB PCIe Gen 4 SSD delivers lightning-fast storage and loading times. The Flow Z13 is equipped with the latest Wi-Fi 7 technology, guaranteeing a stable, high-bandwidth connection for gaming, streaming, and online collaboration. The device comes preloaded with Windows 11 Pro, ensuring a robust, secure, and feature-rich operating system experience. The included cooling system, featuring dual fans and a large heat pipe, ensures that temperatures remain in check, even during the most intense sessions. Now, let's put the Flow Z13 through its paces in real-world testing. Imagine yourself in a crowded coffee shop, working on a project, while simultaneously participating in a high-stakes online gaming tournament with friends. The Flow Z13's battery life comfortably stretches beyond 10 hours, ensuring that you stay productive and entertained without interruptions. The device's cooling system remains impressive, keeping temperatures under control even after extended gaming sessions. However, it's worth noting that the Flow Z13's compact size comes at the cost of a slightly smaller cooling system. This might impact performance in extremely demanding workloads, although ASUS has cleverly optimized the airflow to maintain stability and efficiency. The pros of the Flow Z13 include its remarkable portability, lightning-fast performance, and robust feature set. Additionally, the device's sleek design, versatile kickstand, and comfortable keyboard make it an excellent choice for creators, gamers, and professionals alike. However, some users may find the cooling system a tad limiting, and the device's compact size might not be ideal for those accustomed to larger screens. In the realm of portable gaming laptops, the ASUS ROG Flow Z13 2025 finds itself among the creme de la creme. When compared to its direct competitors, The Flow Z13 stands out with its impressive performance, sleek design, and extensive feature set. While other devices might offer similar specs, the Flow Z13's unique blend of portability and power sets it apart from the pack. If you're in the market for a cutting-edge gaming laptop that doubles as a powerful productivity machine, look no further than the ASUS ROG Flow Z13 2025. With its remarkable performance, sleek design, and incredible feature set, this device is poised to become the go-to choice for gamers, creators, and professionals alike. To find out more about this remarkable device and experience the power of the ASUS ROG Flow Z13 for yourself, I recommend visiting the official ASUS website or a nearby authorized retailer.